So we're here at the Dixie Convention Center in St. George, Utah. We're here at a show called Rollin in the Red Rocks. We decided to sponsor this event because it's local to us. It made a lot of sense. Very glad we came out. This is a very good show. But for this being the first year he's done the show, very, very impressed. A few lifted trucks, quite a few less than we're used to seeing at the shows we go to. Classic cars, we've got some hot rods. We have a pretty good variety of slammed mini trucks here. Hats off to Graham for this, because he did what most car shows in this town have been unable to do.
Truth is, I have a stencil that I'm going off of. It's a decal that's on the truck underneath the wrap. It gives me a nice crisp line to go off of, but I'm not going to tell anyone that. See how crisp my lines are.
I am Jax with FLOG Industries. This is my friend Graham. Who are you? What do you do? What are we doing here?
So my name's Graham Hancock. I've been in the custom automotive world for about 20 years, actually a little bit longer than that now. I've been part of holding a show in Florida called Slamfest that just hit its 30th year this past year, and I've been involved in that show for about 20 years. Once I moved out here, I kind of started wanting to do something and bring that world out here out west, because we've got a lot of shows that are all single day shows, but nothing that's drawing the East Coast out to the West Coast. So I wanted to do something here. The show's called Rollin in the Red Rocks because of all the red rocks we have in the area. And last night we did a cruise. We had about 70 vehicles involved, and it was amazing. And that's what I wanted to bring to the automotive world. Not just a car show, because anybody can go to a car show in their town, but I wanted to bring them to the area that I love, doing what I love.
that subscribe button to see more badass content.
Yeah, buddy.
You guys are idiots.